Hello and welcome back. Today we have iPadOS 26, Beta 6, coming a week after Developer Beta 5 and Public Beta 2. Now we're at that part of the cycle where these releases will probably be weekly till just right before the release candidate. I know I said at the end of last video I didn't know if I'd have anything to talk about. I'm happy to say there actually are some small changes in this build that are worth mentioning, so let's dive into what those changes are. When you launch into Exposé, which of course you do by swiping up from the bottom and holding, you'll notice on the individual windows we have the app's icons at the bottom, which is a nice little tweak, I guess. Very similar to just our standard multitasking view we've had before. You swipe over, see we have the app icons down there as well. And now the experience is the same between both of those views. When you update to Beta 6, you're going to be greeted with a new onboarding carousel. That is this kind of interactive set of animations that detail the major new features in iPadOS 26. If you're updating an iOS device or a macOS device, you should see a version of this on those platforms as well. I apologize for the reflections. There's really no good way to screen record before you get into the system itself. I really liked going through this. It's a lot better experience than just swiping through static screens. So I'm glad they made this upgrade. You probably don't think a lot about ringtones on iPadOS, but we do usually get the new ones when they come to iOS. In this case, when you update to Beta 6, Apple has included some different variations on the default ringtone. So if you go into Settings and then Sounds and then tap on Ringtone, and then tap on Reflection at the top, which is that default, kind of accordions down here, and you'll see we have this nested list of different tones that are reflection, but in a different style. So walking through them real quick, we've got default, we've got buoyant, we've got dreamer, actually might be my favorite. We've got pond, we've got pop, we've got reflected, and then there's surge. Anyway, you get the idea. My favorite, completely unnecessary but very nice little design touch they put in here was this animation when you launch preview. So if I come out of here, bring up preview, you see the little loop on the right hand side, I think it is, kind of animates down slightly. Again, completely unnecessary, but just this nice little touch. Let's see it again real quick. Come in. That's really nice. I hope more of the document-based apps do something like this. These are the little touches that Apple used to be known for. And so it's good whenever they remember this is a thing they do and actually put them in. Just like in the prior beta, there were no big design overhauls around liquid glass, but there were a couple of nice tweaks. We'll do a quick comparison between Beta 5 and Beta 6 here. In Beta 5, if you go to the lock screen and look at the time, you notice there is a glass effect, but it's not super transparent. Compare that to what we got today in Beta 6, and you can see, especially if you're looking, around the 7, the bottom of the 7, where it's meeting those colors, it's a little bit more transparent and gives this whole thing a bit more of a glassy effect. In apps that have a tab bar, like music, Apple's added this chromatic refraction effect, which is basically kind of a rainbowy edge around the glass as it comes in contact with the material underneath it. It's not showing up great in this video, but in person it actually looks kind of cool. Not terribly necessary, but a nice little touch. The switch control that you use to toggle something on or off has had a liquid glass effect when you swipe it, but now you get the same effect when you just tap it, for a little bit of extra consistency there. So that's going to do it for what's new in iPadOS 26 Beta 6. As always, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you, I appreciate you. If you could like the video and subscribe to the channel on your way out, that would help me and the channel out a bunch, and I will catch you all in the next one. Take care.